ultimate too. I'm gonna save the digital world for me. I'm gonna save the digital world for you. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. The Digi world is safe in the Digimon's hand. With the rookie hand,
Well, guys,
the Digimon fights and the Digimon wins. And the Digimon is gonna find the strength within. The Digimon is always gonna be your friend. And the Digimon is gonna be there till the end.
it's
Everybody knows when things go wrong. That's when the Digimon is gonna be strong. Hey Digimon.
at last gotten started. Finally. Tonight, we're at last gonna draw Xveemon. Veemon's original evolved form. The first time we saw this battle was against Tortamon. Veemon has been Davis's partner ever since Season 2 was released. After that, well, Veemon gained the ability to Digivolve into Xveemon. After that happened, Xveemon and Stingmon now has the capability of DNA Digivolving into Paildramon. At first, I had a hard time remembering the Digimon's names. So far, Xveemon and Birdramon were all I can remember. So is Togemon. Eventually, when Digimon Fusion came out, I learned to remember the Digimon's names long and easy. The original Digimon first premiered on TV, and well, after a while, these Digimon evolved to a Digimon Fusion, which took the level of digital evolution to another level called Digifuse. Well, at first I had a hard time keeping track of the show, and then, when Season 2 came out, I was impressed by the way that Digimon Fusion had evolved, and all the battles they went through. Did you know Sparamon now has legs? Well, I discovered that on the Irate Pirate episodes, after when Spotamon and the others were under Olegmon's control. Eventually, Olegmon became a good guy. Good for him. So what a sweet guy. Hope to see you again soon. Now we draw this part here. There we are. Those are his arms. Next up, we draw his wings and his tail. There we are. Now we draw this part here. And finished. That is how you draw Xveemon from the Digimon Fusion series. Well, Digimon Season 2. One of the best fusions I've ever seen. Relax, folks. I'll be drawing more Digimon like this real soon. Check out the playlist until then. Good night.